Hi everyone, so today I'm going to review the Fab Bag for all of you. And for those of you who don't know what a Fab Bag is, it's like a monthly subscription bag where you have about 5 beauty products, and some of them are sample size and miniatures and others are full size products. So today I am going to review the March Fab Bag for you. The interesting bit is that Fab Bag customizes its bag every month. So for instance, if there's an event or a festival in that particular month, they'd customize their bag accordingly. So let's see what's inside this month's Fab Bag. So their card has like all the products that are listed, and I think this month's Fab Bag has about 3, 4, 5 products, 2 of which are Wella Professional's Renewing Mask and Shampoo. And I think the theme of this month is Women's Day. So the first product is Sugar Cosmetics. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick in the shade Matte Magenta. I think it's a full-size product which is priced at ₹5.99. I really like the packaging of the lipstick already. It's like a solid black block and smells like cocoa. So this is the shade. I think I'd swatch it for you. It's definitely not matte, which is not a great idea for summers, but it's like a really pretty pink magenta shade, so that's a plus. Also, I've already used Sugar products and they're really good, so I'm hoping this one's going to be a good one as well. The next product that they have is the Nykaa Nail Enamel in the shade Strawberries and Cream. This is a 10 ml packaging, and I think it retails for ₹149. Even though it's pretty small, but I really like the shade, so I think I'm excited to wear this nail paint for the next few days. Also, since it's summertime, I think this will look really good. The interesting thing is that it matches their theme, which is pretty cute. So yeah. The next product is the Wella Professional's Elements Renewing Mask. So this is the mask, and I think the full size retails for ₹1075, which is a 150 ml packaging. This whereas is only a 30 ml packaging, and this is for ₹200. Well, of course it's a free sample and it's not for sale, but otherwise I think it retails for ₹200. I'm not really like a Wella fan, but I think I'm excited to try this mask. The next Wella product is the Elements Renewing Shampoo. It says 0 parabens and 0 sulfates, so that's a plus. The only drawback for me is that if you like provide a 30 ml shampoo bottle, you can't really know if it's suiting your hair type or not, especially if it's like a hair length that I have. I think I will run out of this in only one head wash. So I can't really make out if it's suiting my hair or not. I need at least, everybody needs at least 2 to 3 head washes, a minimum, to know if a particular product is suiting their hair type or not. So it defeats the purpose of providing such a small sample size. Nevertheless, it smells really good, and I think both the mask and the shampoo smell really good. The mask is still fine because you can use it twice or thrice, but I think this you can use it at a maximum of 2 head washes. So the last product on the list is the Chronocare The Frizz Kiss Cooling Explosion Lip Balm. This is a full size and it retails for ₹95. And well, since I'm an annual subscriber of Fab Bag, they gave us this particular product in, I think, the last year's one of the last year's Fab Bags. So I don't really like the fact that they repeat their product. The point is that you try out new products, and if we get similar products over and over again, I don't think that helps. The fun part is that it tingles on your lips. So once you apply it, your lips start tingling, and that's really cool. So I don't mind using this particular lip balm, but I don't like the idea of repeating products in your Fab Bag, especially for your annual subscribers. So apart from that, I think I really like this month's Fab Bag. Also, I generally like the Fab Bag as well. This is glittery and silver, and I can always use it for traveling and carrying these miniatures and taking these out on trips and everything. So in all, I think I would rate this month's Fab Bag a 7.5 on 10, which is not really bad considering that one product has already been a part of the previous Fab Bag. I'm really excited to try out the lipstick and the nail paint and also the mask, so that's a plus. So in all, I think I'm really excited. So So that's it for this video. If you have any other beauty review requests or video requests, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do them. Till then, take care. Bye.